Today's frequently asked question is, what's an earnest money deposit? Sometimes also known as a good faith deposit, it is the initial amount of money that a buyer pledges to place in escrow when they submit an offer on a property. In our market, it's usually somewhere between 1% and 3% of the total price, and it gets applied towards the buyer's down payment when escrow closes. If a buyer isn't putting any money down, let's say for example they were doing VA financing with no down payment, then the earnest money or good faith deposit actually gets applied towards the closing costs or refunded to the buyer at the close of escrow. If you have any questions you'd like to have us answer on a future video, DM us or give us a call and let us know. And be sure to check out all of the other FAQ videos that we've already recorded. You can find them on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty in Long Beach, California.